testing the hydrogen. We will see how to make sure if the gas obtained is hydrogen. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen in the presence of flame or a spark to give water. Since water, H2O, is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. A lighted splint placed at the mouth of a test tube of hydrogen will give a pop sound. In this picture, we have a tube. So how to test if the tube contains hydrogen gas? So we place a lighted splint at the mouth of the tube. If there's hydrogen in the tube, we'll hear like a pop sound. Let's see the equation of water. Hydrogen plus oxygen in the gas state reacts to give water in the liquid state. So 2H2 plus O2 reacts to give 2H2O. So this is the way to make sure that the gas we have is a hydrogen gas.